Don't leave the security of your property to chance. The team here at Eastbourne Alarms can give you complete peace of mind that your property is being looked after. From fire and intruder alarms, access control, door entry, emergency lighting, and so much more. We pride ourselves on offering our customers a reliable and professional service, and always at competitive rates. And this is part of the reason we have such a high reputation today. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.